Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to start writing on Medium. So first of all, you will just have to on medium.com and make sure you will have logged in or sign up. And after, as you can see, the top right is the right icon option. So just tap on it as well. And after in here, you just have to give them a title like my story. And in right over here, you will just have to tell your story. And in this way, you will just have to start writing on Medium. So that's it. And after, you will just have to select the change formatting, add edits, or create links. So right now, you will just have to add bold, I, or there are much many more options to add in your writing stories. So when it's done, you will just have to tap to published, or you will just have to save in drafts. So in this way, you will just have to start writing on Medium. That's very easy. Thank you so much for watching.